Adding new electrical accessories to your motorcycle can seem intimidating the first time you do it. Quite beyond getting the accessories to work, you want to be sure the job you did on the wiring is neat and reliable. Stick around for a minute, I'll show you how. Hi, this is Mark Cook with Twisted Throttle. Now, if you're new here, check out our website at the link below where you can shop for accessories that fit your motorcycle. While you're here, leave us a like on the video and subscribe to our channel for updates on future product, as well as more motorcycle content. So wiring your accessories is not some sort of black art. It's actually pretty easy, especially with the new generation of accessories like the DENALI LED auxiliary lights, which have basically plug-and-play wiring harnesses. Almost couldn't be easier. But there will inevitably be times when you have to go it alone. So here are a few basic tips to help keep your wiring neat, clean, and safe. 1. Make life easier with a power distribution system. Now, products like the DENALI PowerHub2 allow you to grab a clean 12-volt power source right at the battery that gives you both switched and unswitched power with your choice of current limiting. Number 2. Determine wire lengths correctly. It's an unwritten rule that when you measure from the power source to the accessory, something magical happens to consume wire length. Now, when you do your rough estimates, always add a little in case you need to go around a piece of the motorcycle or misjudge that just a little bit the first time. How much do you add? At least a couple of inches on each end. It's far easier to bundle and tie back a little excess than it is to make a new harness or add a splice to the end. Number 3. Think about proper termination. Around here we use a lot of Posi-Tap and Posi-Lock products because they're super easy to use and have proven to be reliable. They don't require tools beyond a wire stripper, but you do have to take some care with them to be sure you don't leave the little wire hairs exposed. One of those happens to be a positive and hits the frame, you're going to blow the fuse. Number 4. You need to route your wire with care. There are plenty of moving parts on any motorcycle and more than a few hot places. You always want to keep wires away from anything that moves. Be especially careful around suspension components and the steering head. Number 5. Go the extra mile with wiring protection. Now, we prefer to build harnesses with plastic sheeting so that wires can be bundled and tied off right to the frame rails or some other part of the motorcycle. It's a better alternative than leaving the wires exposed and makes for a cleaner installation. Item 6. If you decide to wrap wire, do your future self a favor and mark each harness for which accessory it feeds. You can do that with a little piece of colored tape. You can do the same thing in the lid of the power hub so you're not trying to remember which fuse is which. You'll thank me later. And that's it. The key to a clean wiring job is taking your time. Think in terms of this job lasting a long time. After all, it's better to be out there riding than in here fixing stuff. Thanks for watching.